Welcome back to the Technology Geek. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating history of the World Wide Web, a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we connect, communicate, and access information. From its humble beginnings to its incredible impact on our lives, we'll explore the birth of the World Wide Web and the people who played a pivotal role in its creation. So let's get started. The story of the World Wide Web begins in the late 1980s, but its roots can be traced back even further. Several brilliant minds contributed to its development, each bringing their unique expertise to the table. One key figure in the birth of the World Wide Web is Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee. While we'll delve deeper into his contributions in a separate video, it's important to acknowledge his crucial role in creating the foundation of the web. He developed the HTML language, the URL system, and the HTTP protocol, all of which were instrumental in the functioning of the web. Another significant contributor was Robert Cailliau, who collaborated closely with Tim Berners-Lee to refine the concepts and specifications of the web. Their joint efforts laid the groundwork for what we now know as the World Wide Web. Additionally, there were many other scientists, researchers, and engineers who made important contributions, such as Vinton Gray Cerf, known as one of the fathers of the Internet, who played a key role in developing the TCP/IP protocols that enabled global network communication. To truly understand the World Wide Web, it's essential to grasp its underlying mechanics and technologies. So, let's dive into the technical aspects that make the web work. At its core, the web operates on a client-server model. Clients, such as web browsers, request information from servers, which store and deliver web content. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, is the protocol that facilitates communication between clients and servers. It allows for the retrieval and transmission of hypertext documents. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the language used to structure and present web pages. It provides a standardized format for displaying text, images, links, and multimedia content. URLs, Uniform Resource Locators, are the addresses used to identify and locate specific web pages. They serve as the links that connect different parts of the web. The invention of hypertext revolutionized the way information is linked. Hypertext allows for nonlinear navigation by connecting related pieces of content through hyperlinks, enabling users to access information in a flexible and interconnected manner. The World Wide Web has had a profound impact on society, transforming the way we communicate, access information, and conduct business. Let's explore some of the revolutionary aspects of the web. The advent of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, played a pivotal role in the revolution of the World Wide Web. Developed by Tim Berners-Lee, HTML provided a standardized way to structure and format web pages, allowing for easy navigation and linking of information. The introduction of web browsers, such as Mosaic and Netscape Navigator, made the World Wide Web more accessible to the general public. These user-friendly interfaces allowed people to browse and interact with websites in a visually appealing and intuitive manner. The development of HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and URLs, Uniform Resource Locators, simplified the process of accessing and sharing information on the web. HTTP established the rules for communication between web servers and clients, while URLs provided a standardized addressing system for web resources. The emergence of search engines, like Yahoo and later Google, revolutionized the way we find and access information on the web. These search engines employed complex algorithms to index and rank web pages, making it easier for users to discover relevant content quickly. The rise of e-commerce and online banking transformed the way we shop and handle financial transactions. Secure protocols such as SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, and later TLS, Transport Layer Security, provided a secure environment for conducting online transactions, fostering trust and confidence in online commerce. The proliferation of social media platforms, such as Facebook and Twitter, revolutionized how we connect and share information with others. These platforms facilitated global communication, community building, and the sharing of ideas on an unprecedented scale. Over the years, the World Wide Web has undergone significant evolution. Let's explore its journey from its early days to its current form and discuss its future prospects. In its early days, the World Wide Web primarily consisted of static web pages with limited interactivity. However, with technological advancements, the web has transformed into a dynamic and interactive platform. Websites now offer rich multimedia content, interactive applications, and seamless user experiences. The introduction of Web 2.0 brought about a paradigm shift in the way we interact with the Internet. It emphasized user-generated content, social networking, and collaboration. Websites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube emerged, enabling users to connect, share, and contribute to the online community. The rise of mobile devices and the advent of responsive web design further revolutionized the web. Websites became optimized for various screen sizes, ensuring a consistent experience across devices. As we move forward, the future of the World Wide Web holds exciting possibilities. The Internet of Things, IoT, is set to play a significant role, connecting everyday objects to the web and enabling a seamless exchange of data. Smart homes, wearable devices, and connected cars are just a few examples of the IoT's potential impact. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are also poised to shape the future of the web. These technologies can enhance personalized experiences, improve search algorithms, and automate various tasks. We can expect smarter virtual assistants, chatbots, and personalized recommendations as AI continues to advance. Additionally, advancements in web technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript frameworks have paved the way for immersive web experiences. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are becoming integral parts of web development, enabling users to explore virtual environments and interact with digital content in new and exciting ways. The future of the World Wide Web is also closely tied to the ongoing development of web standards, privacy regulations, and cybersecurity measures. As technology evolves, ensuring a secure and trustworthy online environment will be of paramount importance. While the World Wide Web has connected billions of people worldwide, it's important to acknowledge that not everyone has equal access to this transformative technology. Let's explore some of the remote areas and countries that face challenges in accessing the web and the reasons behind it. In remote areas such as rural regions in sub-Saharan Africa, the Amazon rainforest, and remote islands in the Pacific Ocean, internet access can be limited or even non-existent. These areas often lack the necessary infrastructure, such as fiber optic cables or cellular towers, to provide reliable internet connectivity. In some countries, internet access is heavily restricted or limited due to government policies or censorship. For example, North Korea tightly controls internet access and operates an intranet called Kwangmyong, which provides limited online services to a select few. In countries like China, internet access is regulated through a system known as the Great Firewall, which blocks access to certain websites and platforms, limiting the freedom of information and communication. Conflict zones, such as parts of Syria and Afghanistan, may experience restricted internet access due to infrastructure damage, government control, or safety concerns. These circumstances limit the ability of people in these areas to connect with the outside world. While the World Wide Web has transformed our lives and connected us like never before, we must recognize that internet accessibility is not universal. By understanding the challenges faced by remote areas and certain countries, we can work towards finding solutions and bridging the digital divide. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the birth and evolution of the World Wide Web. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the technologies, people, and impact behind this groundbreaking invention. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel, Technology Geek, for more insightful content on the fascinating world of technology.